Welcome to this bitchin' 1969 VW Baja Bug. Freshly built from the ground up, we'll tell you all about it after a cold start and a ride along. This Bug was purchased 2 years ago as a COVID project. The owner stripped it completely down and replaced the floor pans and added a custom roll bar. Virtually everything on this car has been touched. A hot 1776 engine was purchased for it, along with a new wiring harness and electronics. A rear wing was added to complete the look. Bilstein reservoir shocks were added, along with NASCAR truck wheels and new mud terrain tires. This little Baja Bug is a blast, and it's ready to go out on an adventure. It's coming up for sale on Bring a Trailer, and you can find out more at GenowAutoWerks.com. Thank you.